Class 10, let us continue the chapter mode, exercise 26.4. Now, this is sum number 6. Find the mode of the following. Let us write the solution part directly. Write the marks. At first, let us write the marks to the left hand side. It is given in the question a number of students as frequency. It is also given. We have to find the mode of these data. Now, let us write all the data in tabular form. Like this, marks, and this side marks, and this is number of students. Number of students means this is frequency. Now 0 to 5, now got 2 students. 5 to 10 marks, got 6 students. Now 10 to 15, 10 students. 15 to 20, 16 students. 20 to 25, 22 students. 25 to 30, 11 students. 30 to 35, 8 students. And 35 to 40, 35 to 45 students. Okay. Now let us find the highest frequency. At first we have to same as before. At first we have to just see whether the class length same or not. Now 0 to 5 class length 5, 5 to 10 also 5, 10 to 15 5, 15 to 25, 20 to 25 5, 25 to 35, 30 to 35 5, 35 to 40 also 5. So no need to change anything. It's already given to us. Now, what is the among these frequencies? 22 shows the highest frequency. 22 shows the highest frequency. It shows the highest frequency, maximum frequency. Okay, so when it shows maximum frequency, so modal class will be 20 to 25 as it contains the maximum frequency. So modal class will be 20 to 25. Now what is L then? Lower limit of the modal class. What is H? Length of the modal class, that is also fine. And F1, that means frequency of the modal class, that is 22. F0, that is pre-modal class frequency, that is 16. And F2, post-modal class frequency, that is 11. Okay. Now what is mode then? Put the value of all data here. Now L mode equals to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2. Remember this, into H. Okay, L means what? L means 20 plus F1 minus F0, 22 minus 16. 22 minus 16 and 2F1, that means 2 into 22 minus 16 minus 11. Okay, into 5. Okay, now it's 22 minus 16, which gives us only 6. So it's coming 6 by, and this is 44 minus 27 into 5. So what will write? 20 plus 30 by 44 minus 27, that gives us 17. So 30 by 17, that is equals to 1.76. So better write 1.76 here, and 20 plus 1.76 means 21.76. That is also approximate value. This is the answer. Sum number 6 done. Okay. Now next sum number 7. Next sum number 7. Okay, find the mode of the following. Class interval given and frequency given. Class interval given and frequency given. Class interval and your frequency, right? Okay. Now class interval is what? 0 to 5, that is 5. 5 to 10 is 12. 10 to 15, that is 18. 15 to 20, 28. 20 to 25, 17. 25 to 30, 12. 30 to 35, that is 8. Okay. Now among this, same thing here also, class length same, so no need to change it. Now here 28 is the highest frequency. 28 shows the highest frequency. This is the maximum frequency among this all these frequencies. So modal class is 15 to modal class equals to 15 to 20. So what is L now? L is 15. What is H? H is 5. What is F1? F1 is 28. What is F0? That is 18. What is F2? That is 17. Okay. Now find the mode. The value is L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Put the value, that is 15 plus F1 minus F0 means 28 minus 18 by 2 into 28 minus 18 minus 17 into H. Okay, so 28 minus 18 gives us only 10. So 15 plus 10 into 5 divided by 2 into 20, 56 minus 35. Okay, so 15 plus 50 by 56 minus 35, that gives us 21. So 50 by 21, find it, that is 2.38 coming. So it will be 15 plus 2.38, which gives us 17.38 approximate value. Okay. Next sum number 8, the last sum of this exercise. Very easy, very easy. Mode is very easy. Easier than mean and median. Find the mode of the following. What is given here? Here class interval given. Class interval given. Here we have to make 3 columns. Why? Telling you. Now class interval, that is given to us, and the frequency also given to us. Let us write the frequency here. Okay. What is class interval? 45 to 54. Okay. And frequency is 8. Okay. Now 55 to 64. Next is 55 to 64. Frequency 13. Next 65 to 74. Frequency 19. Next 75 to 84. Frequency 32. Next 85 to 94 and frequency 12. Next 95 to 104, frequency 6. Okay. Now we have to find class boundaries. Why? Because here 45 to 54, next is 55 to 64. Since the upper limit of the first class, this one, and lower limit of the second class is not matching, we have to match it. That is why, so 0.5, this adjustment that already we did in mean and median. Same thing here, class boundaries. That we know how to do. 0.5 less from 45, so it will be 44.5, and 0.5 more to 54, so it will be 54.5. Okay. Similarly, 0.5 less to 55, it will give 54.5, and more to 64.5 is 64.5. Okay. Now, next is 64.5 to 74.5. and 74.5 to 84.5. Next 84.5 to 94.5, and 94.5 to 104.5. Okay. Now we can, now all the class limits, class length now same. Okay. And lower, here upper limit, and here lower limit also same. Now, what is the maximum frequency here? 32 shows maximum frequency, this class. Okay, here it shows the maximum frequency. Maximum frequency. So, what is the model class then? 74.5 to 84.5. Model class 74. Don't take this one. 74.5 to 84.5. Okay. Now, what is L? Same thing. L equals to 74.5. What is H? H equals to 10. And F1 32. F0 that is 19. And F2 that is 12. Okay. Now, write mode here. Put the value L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Put the values. Now, L equals to what? 74.5 plus F1 minus F0 means 32 minus 19 by 2 into 32 minus 19 minus 12 into 10. Okay. Now, this is coming 74.5 plus 32 minus 19. It gives us 13 into 10. Make it 130 directly. And here 64 minus 19 minus 12. That is minus 31. So, 74.5 plus 130 by 64 by minus 31. It gives us 33. Now 74.5 plus 130 by 33, it gives us 3.939. 3.939. Okay. So just add this. We can write it approximate 94. So it will be 78.44 approximate value. Okay. Now this is all for today. Thank you very much.